Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to open a disabled iPhone without a computer. The first method is to unlock your iPhone with an emergency call. Just go to the emergency call screen and then type this sequence. Number sign 1234 asterisk 0099 asterisk 1214 asterisk 1212 asterisk 3434 asterisk 0099 asterisk. After that, tap on the call button 8 times and then retype the sequence once again. This will take you to your screen. This time, try the password 1234 or 000. Then swipe up and your iPhone is unlocked. Next is to put your password to security lock by entering the wrong password multiple times. Then at the bottom right of the screen, tap on Erase iPhone and enter your Apple ID. And that's it! You have now successfully opened a disabled iPhone without computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tricks and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!